Hi, writers. Today we are going to be looking at a new type of an award. Okay, a brand new award, and you're going to come up with it. I want you to grab your favorite book you have around you, pause, go get that, and come back. Awesome. Now that you have your favorite book, I'd like you to just have it sit on it, and don't touch it so we can pay attention. Moving right along, I'd like us to look at all of these book covers. What do you notice about all of these that are the same? Besides the title and having the illustrator and the author, they all have these special circle, like coin looking things. And those are all special awards. And the nominees are time to award your favorite books. Today you will be awarding your favorite book with its own special award that you came up with. Watch this. Okay, watch this. I'm going to model choosing the right book for me. I have brought actually 3 of my favorite books because I just can't decide. I'm going to look across all the books to see what is my favorite. Then, number 2, I'm going to look at the evidence I have to support my award. How many reasons do I have to support my award? I chose the book that had the most evidence to support my award. Here we go. Okay, got these 3. So, first of all, The Little House, and actually does have an award. Okay, Little House, I would give it the Beautiful Picture Award. I like it. The pictures are pretty. I do like the pictures. Okay, so I came up with, I like the pictures, okay? I need a new butt. This gets the hilarious award. It's very funny because each page, there's the pictures of his butt, and he thinks it's broken. I'm just not finding a lot of evidence besides thinking that it's really funny. Okay, so I have one idea with this, the funniest award. Then, what I've got here is the most honest award from Sergio. So I know that Sergio, a Bike Like Sergio's, he's very honest with himself and with his siblings. So I know he's honest with himself. Then he's honest with the lady that he finds the dollar with, $100 with. Then he's also honest with Sergio. Okay, so and he can't find it, so he panics. He's honest with himself about the $100. He's honest with the lady about the $100. And he's honest with his parents, that they are so proud. So those, I came up with a lot of reasons why this is the most honoring, honest award book. Lots of evidence because he's so honest across so many pages. Right now I want you to think, if you've got more than one book, that's okay. But notice how I went number 1, I looked across all of them, and then I found the one that had the most reasons to support my award. I want you to pause it and do this with yourself, choosing which book or finding lots of reasons why it should deserve that award. Again, I thought this one was the Beautiful Picture Awards. This one's the Funny Award, or it could be the Cracking Up Award. Get it? Cracking Up. Or the Most Honest Award. Okay, so I want you to think, what special award could your favorite book get? And then what evidence do you have to support it? Remember, I didn't really have a lot of evidence. I thought the pictures were just beautiful, but I couldn't really tell you why. This one's funny, but it's because of the pictures too. And then this one was the most honest. He's honest so many times. Pause this, and I want you to think about reasons and evidence to support giving your award to that book. Awesome. So now we're going to go ahead and use our evidence to write. You want to make sure that you're still introducing the book, giving your opinion on the award, and using the word because to give evidence, right? So now it's your turn. Once you have the award that you want your book to give and 3 reasons why you want to give that book, I want you to go ahead and get started. This is the paper that we are using in class, but you can also just add a star to your papers, okay? And then tomorrow at Community Circle, we are going to look at sharing, okay? We're going to share and talk about how we can use more evidence to give your special award to your favorite book.